All right. So this is just a simple mobile app, and I have actually like just really simple, nothing much, and I have actually like created several screens that we'll be using. The sign in screen, created the sign in screen, and the sign up screen, the sign in screen, the forgot password screen, and yeah. So I just demoed that, so don't so just focus on incorporating on using the Authivate service to do everything we have actually have to do. Okay, so let's just right. So I have an account already with Authivate. So basically, I just come here to create a new project, and there are different settings you can actually have for your project. You can say, okay, password is needed to sign in, or include profile picture functionality. But I'll disable. Okay, I will enable password. I'll disable profile picture for now. So let's just create the project. All right, enter project name. Let's just name it Authivate demo. All right, so let's just create it Authivate demo. So let's just all right. So let's just go here. So basically, once you just come to the particular project dashboard, you would see that they are already created documentation for you. So basically, you can access the whole documentation, everything you actually need to get on with Authivate. You can, okay, how to sign up, how to sign in, the particular endpoint to call, the kind of request, the body of the request, and the expected response of the request. You also have the sign in user, send confirm account email, send forgot password email. You have everything right off the box, so you can actually just copy them, paste them. All right, so basically, let me just initialize this stuff in the particular project. Yeah. So in my prospect the YAML here, I have Authivate already, and I will just come to my main dot. Let's just say uh let's turn this to a stateful widget. Let's turn this to a stateful widget. So let's have our init state. So and we just initialize Authivate. So basically we just do this. We first we create final config equals Authivate. Okay, import Authivate config. You just create another config. You just get your API key. So let's just get the API key from here. Get the API key and API key. Okay, let me put this in a string. The project ID. Let's just get the project ID. Authivate demo. Authivate demo. And yeah, so let's just initialize so basically the Authivate instance, this is actually uses a singleton pattern, so we can actually access this particular instance after we must have instantiated it. We'll actually have this stuff by just calling authivate.instance. We can just do authivate.instance, and we have access to everything that Authivate offers. That's the reason why I'm actually defining it in this state. In a proper application, you actually want to keep your API key secure, and maybe keep your most likely keep your project ID secure also, because you get so let's just reload this. Let's just reload this to this particular stuff. Just reload this particular stuff. And yeah, all right, so we have our Authivate instance created already. Now let's just move on with signing. Let's just try building the signing functionality. So basically all we just have to do here is just creating some dummy user models here just to test things. So all we have to do here is come here, just delete this Final. This is just a simple application. In a proper application, you actually want to use some architectural pattern to do what is not just put everything in one particular file or one particular function. You can just maybe use a state management solution like block or provider or anyone. So let's just for now, let's just make this async here. For now, user sorry. Final signing response equals to Authivate dot instance dot sign in user. So as you can see here, the password is actually not compulsory, because at some projects you only want access, or you only want users, confirmed users with emails to be able to access your project, while some you need them to have password, of course. But for this project, if we can remember, you can see that we actually enforce password, so we would actually have to pass the password. Now we can just get the password email controller dot text. Let's string this and password controller dot text dot string. Right, so signing response, so let's just do this. If just undo cases, if signing response dot left, this means that the request didn't go as planned, or an error occurred or something, or the user does not have access, don't have an account yet. So let's just snag by this, just do text be sign in response dot failure message. Okay, so let's just do this, and let's navigation that purpose. Let's move this up here as well. I'm gonna just pop, and let's just let's return here. So once the stuff actually gets displayed, we are very sure that the user has an account and the users actually signed it successfully. Then we can just proceed to get the user data. User equals to, let's just do user that from JSON sign in response, that's success response. Let's just navigate to the user screen. The user screen basically shows the details of the particular user. Now let's try signing up, right? So let's just input a temp mail. I think I have a temporary email here. I just input this just input this here, allow paste, input this here. Let's password, let's just create a dummy password. So let's just sign in. All right, email, this has not registered for this particular project. All right, since we know this user don't actually have an account here. So basically, let's just now go on to sign up the user. So let's just go to our sign up screen, and everything is actually kind of demoed right here. So let's make everything work. So basically, instead of this here, we'll just do final sign up response because how it Authivate dot instance. Okay, Authivate dot instance dot sign up user, mirror controller dot text dot trim. Let's get text dot trim. All right, so now let's just do the same thing. Really, let's just do the same thing. If sign up response that is left, an error occurred, of course, and let's just come to our sign-in screen. I just copy this, reset password. No, sign up screen, sign up screen. That's response turn, and let's just navigate the user to the home screen. But the users, they will actually be unverified. The user status will be unverified. I'm actually just doing that so we can check out something. Ordinarily, in some applications, the user actually would be routed to the sign-in screen again. So, but I'm just trying to show us some stuff there. All right, so this, just remove this and just remove this. Let's come here. Let's have this. All right, so just import this is a sign up screen. Some response. All right, so we have our sign up already. Let's just first name Peter. Let's now Kande. I'm just copy the temporary email. I'm sure the temporary email must have actually gotten. Okay, here we actually haven't signed up. So let's just put the temporary email here. Paste, allow paste. Okay, let's just use the password. So let's just sign up. All right, so the user has signed up already, and as we can see, the first name Peter, the last name Akonde, the email address this. And if we go to our dashboard now, we can actually see the user's details. We can see the user that actually just signed up to our particular to our particular project. You can see, okay, this particular user not verified, date registered 12/11/2023, which is today. Now we can actually, it's actually called the user management authentication and management system because it actually handles the authentication and handles the management of the particular user. You can delete the user, you can resend verification emails, and you'll be able to do more stuff in the future, really. And on getting here, we should actually see an email. Yeah, hello, confirm your email, and Authivate basically handles every single thing for you, right? Sorry, let me just. Authivate handles everything from confirming your email address to just doing everything you need for you actually. So let's just confirm our email address. Okay, do you know what? Don't let us confirm our email address. Let me just try to show us something. So basically, let's just say a user needs this particular stuff because this stuff is actually just valid for 1 hour. Just say user needs a new email address, a new confirmation email. You can try just come here from the dashboard. We send a verification email, and a new verification email will actually get sent to the particular user. I just go back to our email, which actually send another email telling the user to actually verify his or her own email. I just wait for it. Yeah, so this is the second email. So you can actually do every single thing you actually want to do with regards to this particular user. And now let me just confirm this user. All right, so email confirmed successfully for Authivate demo. Right, so now let's just now we are done with that. Now let's just move on to the sign-in screen. So basically, the user then can actually just sign in for this particular stuff. Since the user has created an account already, he or she will be able to sign in directly. Just sign in to Authivate, account not found, email address, okay, new name, Is this email, is this stuff not correct? Oh god, I have done something. I can't remember the password I used. So let's just, oh god, why did I do this? Peter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All right, so let me just, I can actually like programmatically forgot password. I can actually like programmatically send a password reset email. Let's just even get on that. Forgot password email. So basically we have this particular screen. Everything is actually just demo right now. Let's us make it work. So this particular screen, just delete this final forgot password response because with Authivate instance that forgot password for user and mail and controller text stream. Now yeah, so I can now do if forgot password was, why is this one not giving me forgot password dot is left, an error occurred, and let's just show snack bar. Let me just copy this from here. Just copy this from here. This forgot password response dot failure message. And this constant here, and let's just return this. And let's move on to, let's navigate to the contact that pop here. And we know that once we get here, the forgot password email was sent successfully. Now, so let's just input our email, and let's just come here, input, get our temp email. Okay, this temp email changed. So let's just paste this here. Yes, allow paste. And send password reset email. All right, password reset email sent. Let me put this here. Password reset email has been sent. So let's just go to our temp mail, and we should see a URL to actually reset our password. All right, so this is forgot your password. Let's just come here. Let's just open link in new tab. Forgot password. Let's just input our new password. All right, password reset successfully. Let's just go on to our stuff and sign in. All right, now we have signed in. So you can actually see how easy it is to actually like use Authivate in your project. You just plug in the SDK and everything is actually made available for you. You sign in, sign up, request forgot password, and everything you actually would like to do. Yeah, so that's just a simple demo of how to use Authivate, and yeah, the Python SDK is available if you would like to build with Python. The Dart SDK is available if you like to build with Dart and Flutter. If you would also like to if you also like to just use it in another language, like just say Gleam or Rust or anything, you actually, this the API, the REST API is actually, the endpoint are actually here. So Authivate will actually work right out of the box for any kind of program or application, really. Any kind of program that can actually make HTTP request, Authivate will work right out of the box with that particular platform. And I can actually create a user right from my dashboard. I can just Peter and Akonde, Peter at gmail.com, Peter and add user record. Everything will watch. So basically, I can create a user right from my dashboard, or I can actually use the SDKs to create the particular user. And that's just a brief explanation of, or like overview of how to use frameworks. Sorry, how to use Authivate in your application. And yeah, I'm very very much pumped for what you guys, or what you build with Authivate, or Authivate rather. And yeah, peace out.